Role Play 22. Discussion in the post office.
Mahmoud wants to post a letter to his father. He does not know where the post office is. So he comes to his neighbor Hamid and asks him. The discussion goes as follows.
My mom is sick, so I have to write a letter to my dad.
May Allah heal her. Can I do anything for you?
Ameen. Yes, tell me the nearest post office in this locality.
The nearest post office in this locality is 6 kilometers away from here.
Is there a bus that goes directly to the post office?
No.
Okay. Can you tell me the way to the post office?
Go straight for 2 kilometers and then turn left. Then, after walking 600 meters there, you will see a turn to the right, turn right, and go straight. There you will see the post office in front of the city hospital.
May I know when the post office opens?
The post office opens at 10 a.m.
And when does this close?
It closes at 7:30 p.m.
Mahmoud reaches the post office and talks as follows.
Sir, I want some stamps. Where can I find it?
You will find the stamp on counter number 3. Go there.
Is counter no 3 on the 2nd floor or the 3rd floor?
No, this is on the 4th floor.
Okay, sir.
What kind of stamp do you want?
I want 3 stamps of 1 rupee, 2 stamps of 5 rupees, and 1 stamp of 10 rupees.
Okay, go upstairs and you get all the stamps.
Sir, can you tell me how much it will cost to send a post to Canada?
You will have to pay 5,000 rupees to send a post to Canada.
Well, and all these letters are sent by air or by sea?
They are sent through both ways. Which one do you like?
I want to send this letter by air so that it can be delivered in little time.
Okay, it will be delivered. Now put the letter in the envelope and put it inside the box.
Okay, sir. Where is this box?
Near the stair, at the right side.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Do you also want to send any parcel?
Yes, sir. I have to send a parcel as well. So give me a postcard and an envelope.
Here it is.
Thank you, sir. I want to send this parcel via VP Parcel. How long will it take to reach Canada?
This parcel will reach Canada within a week.
That is good.
Okay, now fill out the form and pay the amount.
Okay, sir. How much did it cost?
Your parcel is 2 kilos, so you have to pay 10,000 rupees.
Okay, sir. I'll pay the amount, but will you please fill out this form because I don't know how to write?
I'm sorry. We're not allowed to do that at all. You can get help from anyone except employees here.
Okay, sir, no problem. I will manage it.
That is good.